In today's world, security is a top priority for every homeowner. The ANNKE 3K Lite home security system offers peace of mind like never before. Featuring 8 high-definition cameras, this system covers every corner of your property, both inside and out. Each camera is equipped with 1080p Full HD, providing crystal-clear video footage, even at night. With its advanced night vision, you can monitor your home 24/7. The cameras capture sharp images in total darkness, so no detail is ever missed. It's just perfect for nighttime surveillance. No matter the weather, these cameras are built to last. They are fully weatherproof and can withstand rain, snow, and extreme heat. The ideal camera for outdoor monitoring, in any condition. Managing your security footage is simple. The 1 terabyte DVR can record continuously for up to 30 days, allowing you to play back important moments. You can even access live feeds from your smartphone or computer with the ANNKE 3K Lite Vision app. Stay connected and secure with the ANNKE 3K Lite home security system. It's the ultimate solution to protect what matters most.